Let's be honest. You have better things to do than push a vacuum around. But you've probably wondered, do those affordable robot vacuums actually work? Or do they just get stuck and die? We filled a test room with pet hair, cereal, and sand to find out. After 100 hours of testing, we're revealing the top 5 budget robot vacuums for 2025 that actually clean your floors while you put your feet up. The winner at number 1 costs less than a nice dinner out. Number 1. Roborock S8 Max Ultra. Roborock's flexi arm extends the side brush to reach concave corners with 100% coverage and hard-to-reach spaces under furniture. Coupled with the extra edge mopping system, it achieves precise edge cleaning with a cleaning precision of less than 1.68 millimeters. Upgraded all-in-one Rockdock Ultra, the Rockdock Ultra revolutionizes cleaning with automatic hot water mop washing, up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, that effortlessly dissolves stubborn stains from the mop. Its intelligent dirt detection ensures optimal mop washing time and returns to heavily soiled areas for thorough cleanliness. Enjoy a fresh environment with automatic hot air drying, which prevents unpleasant odors. The automatic detergent dispenser provides over 3 months of cleaning support with a single fill, while automatic dust collection, water replenishment, and a self-cleaning base ensure hassle-free maintenance, saving you precious time. Unmatched cleaning performance with unparalleled 8,000 pascals suction, unleash the formidable cleaning power of the S8 Max Ultra to achieve spotless perfection in your home. The upgraded mop features dual vibration modules that can easily manage dust, dirt, and dry stains through high-speed scrubbing at 4,000 times per minute. Number 2. Roborock Qrevo S5V. Powered by a brushless motor, the Roborock Qrevo S5V delivers intense 12,000 pascals suction to lift embedded dirt, pet hair, and stubborn debris from carpets, rugs, and hard floors. Optimized airflow ensures thorough cleaning in tight corners and under furniture for a spotless home. All-in-one smart dock with warm air drying, revolutionize hands-free cleaning, auto-empties dust into a 7-week storage bin, self-washes mops, and uses hot air drying to prevent odor. Auto-refills the water tank for uninterrupted mopping across 3,552 square feet, perfect for large homes. SGS certified zero tangle system, say goodbye to hair wrap-ups. The rubberized floating main brush adapts to floors while resisting tangles, paired with an arc-shaped side brush, 0% hair tangling rate, SGS certified, for edge cleaning without snags, ideal for pet households. Flexi-arm design with dual spinning mops, extendable mop arm reaches hidden corners and around furniture legs. 200 revolutions per minute spinning pads mimic hand mopping to remove stubborn stains, while a 10 mm lift avoids wetting low-pile carpets. Customize 30-level water flow via the app for all floor types. You can freely select different mopping and vacuuming modes on the app to clean your home. Number 3. Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. 5,000 pascals turbo suction and 20,000 revolutions per minute brush of the robot vacuum work together to clean everything from cereal crumbs in the kitchen to embedded pet hair in the carpet. Auto Carpet Boost mode instantly increases suction 200% for thorough carpet cleaning. Joystick laser-precise navigation and intelligent mapping. Imagine a vacuum robot cleaner that glides around chair legs, avoids your favorite rug, and never tumbles down the stairs. Equipped with advanced LiDAR laser navigation and a smart obstacle avoidance system, the vacuum robot navigates seamlessly, so you don't have to worry about mishaps. The Robotic vacuum's 18 mm climbing capability easily handles thresholds and tracks, and the built-in cliff sensors prevent falls downstairs. Sweat droplets 3-in-1 sweeping, vacuuming and mopping go from dusty floors to spill-free surfaces with the same robot vacuum and mop. Adjust water flow and suction power per room through the app, ideal for giving the kitchen a deeper scrub while gently dusting the bedroom. Set it and forget it. Number 4. 3,000 pascals Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. The S2 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo seamlessly vacuums and mops at the same time, providing an all-in-one solution for cleaning hard floors, carpets, and pet hair. Ideal for homes with multiple surfaces, effortlessly sweep dust and mop floors simultaneously, perfect for hardwood, tile, or low-pile carpets. strong suction and carpet boost with 3,000 pascals of powerful suction, the S2 Robot Vacuum Cleaner ensures deep cleaning performance, especially effective in removing pet hair from carpets and hard floors. The automatic vacuum robot intelligently boosts suction when it detects carpets. Gyro navigation. This robot vacuum cleaner is equipped with a new gyroscope sensor and uses a Z-shaped cleaning mode, improving cleaning efficiency by 90%. Multiple cleaning modes. Choose from auto cleaning, edge cleaning, spot cleaning, manual cleaning, and smart room cleaning to suit your needs. Whether it's daily dust, pet hair, or deep cleaning, the S2 is versatile enough to handle it all. Clean while you work or play. Number 5. Roborock Qrevo Edge. No more worries about hair tangling. Engineered with cutting-edge technology, Duo Divide main brush and FlexiArm arc side brush handle hairs effortlessly and effectively, eliminating hair wrap troubles. Unmatched cleaning power, with up to 18,500 pascals strong suction, it easily overcomes all cleaning challenges, powerfully lifting hair, debris, dust, and dirt from carpets and hard floors into the dustbin. Masterclass maintenance-free experience, all-in-one multifunctional dock 3.0 with hot water. Up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, hot water mop washing and self-cleaning bring cleaning to the next level, easily getting rid of stubborn stains and maintaining a spotless home environment. A dust bag as large as 2.7 L supports over 60 days of hassle-free cleaning. Advanced corner-to-edge cleaning, FlexiArm design side brush and mop revolutionized edge cleaning. With an extendable arc side brush and mop, it perfectly reaches corners and walls to realize seamless cleaning. The 200 revolutions per minute dual rotation mops, combined with 30 water flow levels, deliver an unparalleled cleaning experience. And just like that, your days of manual labor are over. From the best for pet hair to the smartest mapping out a budget, one of these is your new favorite roommate. Ready to reclaim your time? Every single robot vacuum we featured, with direct links to the best deals, is waiting for you down in the video description. If you're excited to never worry about crumbs again, do me a solid, smash that like button, share this with someone who hates cleaning, and subscribe for more tech that gives you your time back. Your future self will thank you.